Yeah. Greetings. In the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. Seeing? More wanna understand me. Seeing? See more time. See, even if I talk against my favorite artist, more wanna realize that sometimes the artists they are my favorite artists too. I love every artist. Seeing? I don't hate them. A certain actions I hate and I not go with. And when I see them do it purposely, make the sense you talk to a man like, you can't do that. No, but I tell a man in him face the way I do. We know say call out a guy. So a guy stop do them stupidness there. You know see? Now, I look on me as a man not look out on Movado because Movado anything else rather than more hear some tune. What wrong with that, Rasta? That simple means that I'm a fan of his music. You know see, when I go, I don't kiss him ass, my father and my boss, I'm a big man for my father. When my father have can't make me respect him, and song them make me respect him. You know see, me and I like some people. And I don't want no man who watch this, think the way they feel, the way they act, the way they with themselves, neither. You know see, when you start think critical and be rational. Seeing what's more detrimental than me listening to some tune or watching my favorite artist I live successful in a swimming pool and pan wherever, however, whatever. More important is the influence with them have over the little ghetto youth them where shut up the place and a kill off and a murder of the people them and them now use them influence there in a positive way. Them rather go sing about the killing where the youth them do and make the youth them feel like say it's a good thing. 10 more, 20 more youth now feel like say yeah, the killing they good. I need to do something like that. And them type of thing there, when you say them thing they are going on. So me if you celebrate and emulate or put some guy on pedestal where me say can do 10 times the work when me a try, easier. And them know, and them not do it just because them know say that now go full them belly the way them desire. And I like say them now go eat still, you know. Them are go eat more than me and you, more than the average. Still. You don't see it, but it now go maintain or entertain enable the hype there. That's the American dream lifestyle there. You understand? Because our artists them now sing and make the amount of money with the American artists them live, yet them want to live on the same scale in our eyes like we are idiot. We don't know finance, we don't know money work, we don't know say them a be stupid. And we don't say nothing. And our brother them, we don't love them. Now, shouldn't we I tell them that? And them should I tell we what to do for elevate ourselves, for reach up that level too. You know, see it. And that's my argument. That's the level of recognition, respect, responsibility, and leadership when I get to the man them. I want to read between the line. What kind of position me in for this a guy? Me don't know a guy don't know me. A guy that was starting there the way I do when I eat, where I eat. Me just a demand in the interest of the ghetto youth them from my standpoint, from my knowledge. Me a demand more. And I put more responsibility upon them and hold them to higher account. Because again, when them a drop off a farm, I get to youth them start reach out back to and get to people them have to reach out back to for try pump them up back again and know them thing yeah. You know see it at the only time that them remember them just like the politician them too. You know see it while at them we are dependent on to make representation and reflect the life what go on at the ghetto and what we need to develop and how them to emulate and inspire the youth them to a better and for you mad? Most of the man them a sing over and I celebrate the youth them a go do when the man them a sing a song. When I want them to say the man them not have no imagination. Them can't articulate positivity in the same way them articulate them violence yeah. Una that not tell me and then no una make me feel like so una accept them thing there, una accept what going around with the little girl them and the little woman them and the old woman them and them thing there. You know see it? Them thing are normal rasta. Una set a precedence of evil, a new precedent. You know see it? Me I tell you something I believe no more than anything you say. You see, that way that way them can manipulate your brain through whatever electronic technology and make you do things with them where you would normally do. And now I feel like say that, we feel like some man down the way, a cyborg, amongst the youth them, I influence the youth them to do certain things, you know. Because certain things are normal, I don't understand and the thing is, doing them abnormal thing there, better them life, better enable growth or development. You know, see it? It's not rational. It's not rational, Rasta. You know, see it? And like me I say, I try. I 1,000 subscribers, me have just over 1,000 subscribers. You get what I say? Them man they reach millions of people every day. All the man they have to do is just go up on them platform and make certain speech. You know, see it? Regardless of where them are sing them. Reason with the youth them consciously and reach out to them. You can post like that. Bentley and all them thing there. Where I tell the youth them say? You're better than them. Them are rubbish. Them not in a year league, them not in a year class. You're up on a different, you can't communicate or relate to them youth no more. Because you don't feel like you can't see what them are see no more. You don't see it. And guess what? You and the artists them detach themselves from that level there. Now if you are detach yourself from me, what kind of emulation me supposed to put on your adoration? What kind of obligation do I owe to you? What kind of respect? I just saw my things set Rasta. No man now help me put on my pot. You know see it? Me walk past a man and go pick up my 2 buckle and sell them because of that me the plan for the from morning and go put on my pot. I saw me stay. Enough man will see him as an opportunity and stop side him and beg him the money. But you know what? The buckle him not tell me now, you know. Buckle him can't tell me now. You know see it? Yes, Rasta. So, essentially, me have all authority and rights as a ghetto youth for burn out whole my representation them responsible for not acting. Me I'm not a fan of a guy clothes or a guy chain and them things don't get caught up in a become fan of the things that people have, how people present themselves when a lot of them are real. You get what I say? You just have try create a facade and again, it's not wise investment for the man himself personally. You get what I say? It's not wise. You know see it? Yeah. Everything what I say. And I mean, everything what I say, I would have one thing. I feel a guy benefit. It's not like me and a guy friend or a guy you have to expect me. Where you know me from? Where you expect me to come and talk to you about, sir, yeah, this is sir, here what me I say. Nah, me and a friend. Yeah, sing some song and I like them and I dance to them and I want to hear some more. And I tell you say, hey, yeah, you loose. You know see. And then what you do these days is like you post against the youth them. And then you're a maglepan. Because you can't maglepan no rapper. You can't maglepan even the other DJ them like you. Because enough of them go and know say. You know see, you think not real. You know see. So that's what I think the Rasta. You know see. You can't expect for inspire you them negatively and expect a change. You don't need for all on a public figure them for more higher responsibility. You know see and set up higher, stronger consequences for them inaction and non-action is Jamaica always like continue reverse and go forward against its nature. You know see. Oh, I'm too no. Jamaica world power, you know. Jamaica one of the most influential black power in the world. Reggae music are the only superpower we challenge everything and anything, all bomb, all gun. You know see it? Reggae music is the ultimate art of war. You know see it? And some boy infiltrated and dead and some other boy are going to say them no and hold them to accountability for them action. Oh, I'm too no. Not do that, man. Rasta not there for eat no man I join a bandwagon and nobody can't pay me for doing a review or bun no man or anybody when me a bun me them my heart a bun them and I like nobody can influence me for go do that. I not stay so. I just know say your opinion not in a channel. I'm going to share my opinion with you too. And nobody feel you can't get me to do something with me. Now agree with like that. Not do that, man. You know see it? We might not agree. You might feel say your artist a top star and him a the best talent and him a do everything the right way and so whatever rate it. You see it? But nobody feel like so nobody can set me up against no one, man. I want to, man. I pick the man where I come from and some channel name. You see, think I idiot I come from where I come represent it pan social media. And I hear some whole heap of people jump, the comment and I chat them bag up whatever it. From Warwick Isle. Warwick Isle people are an idiot, man. You see? Now, man, I feel like so, I think them so invalid, man. I think that come with no hate or nothing personal against someone, man. And the truth, I feel a guy benefit and get a youth. You see it? Yes, Rasta. No disrespect to no man. Don't take no offense from it. No disrespect. Like me, I say, I could keep it civil and all a reasoning. You see it? Find out why I think that a lot of things. We don't have enough time to explain fully what I think, how the thing orchestrate or whatever. But then me ask and I will gladly answer and reply. You see what I say? Not take side, man. Not take side, man. You see it? I burn him to the man and tomorrow him start the good man. You have to be a me. Hey, yeah, big artist. Yeah, some things stay. Righteousness is righteousness, man. There's no challenge to that, Rasta. No where the challenge. Anyway, share, like, and subscribe, man. You see it? More bless.